McIntosh has a treasured past designing and building some of the highest quality American-made products in our industry. They pulled from that long history to produce the MHT300 home theater receiver with meticulous quality standards. With this receiver, they've created the most powerful low distortion AV receiver on the market today that I'm aware of. It represents great value and allows you to bring McIntosh into your home more affordably than you might have thought possible. Hi, Tommy G here from Worldwide Stereo. Today I'm taking you on a tour of the McIntosh MHT300 home theater receiver. This powerhouse is designed to elevate your home theater experience with its exceptional sound quality and advanced features. Whether you're a movie buff or an audiophile, the MHT300 promises to deliver immersive audio experience like no other and deserves a serious look. If McIntosh separates are beyond your budget, let's begin. This is a 7.2 channel configuration. It's expandable up to 7.2.4, providing a comprehensive surround sound setup for an immersive audio experience. This baby delivers up to 150 watts per channel into 4 ohms and 120 watts per channel into 8 ohms, ensuring robust, clear audio performance. It's equipped with 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output with eARC. All 4 of the HDMI inputs support 8K 60, 4K 120, and their HDCP 2.3, 40 gigabits of bandwidth for the latest in video quality. The MHT300 is compatible with HDR formats including Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG, allowing for vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The MHT300 supports Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and has Direct Live room correction software, bringing cinema quality sound to your living room. It features a sleek 3U rack mountable design with the included rack ears. The glass faceplate is illuminated by blue-green backlights, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. To expand further on the expandable channels, there's 4 included pre-outs for your height channels and 2 independent subwoofer outputs, offering flexibility in your setup. The MHT300 has serious power. It's more like a processor with 7 miniature monoblock amplifiers attached to it. It's rated with all 7 channels driven across 20 Hz to 20 kHz with very low distortion at 0.03% and 4 decibels of dynamic headroom. Its peak power is 330 watts into 4 ohms. Most AV brands rate with just 2 channels driven. The true power output in most AVRs drops quickly and distortion goes way up when you drive additional channels, which means every time you're watching and listening to a movie, dynamics and dialogue is the first thing to become hard to hear. There are 7 premium 32-bit digital audio converters on board, so think of this as 7 channels, each individually powered and processed at the same time. It has both Dolby Atmos and DTS:X processing for height speakers and provides a cinema-like sound image. And for a really 3-dimensional effect with no height speakers installed, Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization and DTS Virtual X are also on board. So I've been to so many demos where everything is played really loud, and all you notice is how loud it was and uncomfortable it may have been. So I decided to play a humorous scene in the Avengers Infinity War, where Star-Lord Peter Quill deepens his voice to imitate Thor, so leading to a funny exchange between the characters while on the spaceship. I was so impressed with the detail in the dialogue, and I also started noticing all of the other ship noises that were all around me. It really felt like I was on the ship with them. Another movie that I took for a test drive on this was Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. The scene I played is where we see into Newt's suitcase for the first time. He takes Jacob in there to show him all his magical creatures. And in the scene you get lots of dynamics, really loud sounds, soft sounds. It really utilizes the Atmos speakers. During the really loud parts, it's smooth and clear and the soft sounds are not lost. I could really feel it. So if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified for our upcoming content. Before going much further, let's point out that the MHT300 is a McIntosh unit. These American-built components traditionally have held their value extremely well, unlike most audio-video gear. If you bought a McIntosh product in the 1980s, it's likely to still be used today. But if you choose to resell it, you may get as much or even more than you once paid for it. McIntosh has included power guard, so the harsh sound and a chance of speaker damage from hard clipping is minimized if the amplifier is overdriven. Sentry monitor will protect the amplifiers if the speaker wires are accidentally shorted, but both of these ensure reliability and long product life. Dirac Live room correction software and a calibrated microphone are standard with the MHT300. Run the Dirac Live software on your laptop, and it reduces unwanted effects produced by the room and then automatically applies a custom personalized EQ curve for you. With Dirac Live, listeners usually note better clarity in the mid-range, highs, and tighter bass that has more impact. The 2 discrete subwoofer outputs can be used for connecting legacy components, 2 Toslink optical connections, or 2 coaxial digital audio inputs. If you want to add even more power, there are 11.2 channel RCA preamp outputs, so you can add external amps. You may consider this for a large pair of main speakers, or if you want to expand the unit to the 7.2.4 channel system. If you want to add a turntable, you will need a phono preamp as well as an analog to digital converter, as there is no built-in phono or analog input. Many who have auditioned premium audio gear have aspired to own McIntosh at some point. Their 75 years in business, excellent sound quality, and iconic glass faceplate with blue meters have created many fans, and no brand historically holds its value like McIntosh. If you want great surround sound and premium audio video experience in one box, the MHT300 might be ideal for you. Come visit me at Worldwide Stereo in Montgomeryville, Pennsylvania on Route 309. I'd love to give you a demo. Thanks for watching.